Nicki Minaj versus ShinemyCrown aka SZA. An ex-war nobody saw coming, and now it's, honestly, getting pretty nasty. From petty tweets to brutal receipts, two of music's biggest stars are in a digital showdown, and it's just tearing up the timeline. So, how did it get this real? It all started when Nicki Minaj randomly blasted TDE President Punch, accusing him of online bullying. She called him Tiny Dick Executive, and even nicknamed him Minus 30 Million. Yup, very on-brand Nicki. Shortly after, SZA tweeted what looked like a playful message. Mercury retrograde. Don't take the bait lol, silly goose. Seemed innocent, right? Nicki didn't think so. Nicki wasn't feeling the silly goose energy. Instead, she escalated, calling SZA a liar and comparing her voice to a dead dog. She also took shots at SZA's success, asking, "Does SZA think she's more successful than me? If every song you've ever done vanished right now, the music business wouldn't even miss you." SZA? She kept it cute, but clapped back. "I don't give a fuck about none of that weird shit you popping." Then she flexed her sold-out arena tour like it was nothing. "See you tomorrow for night 2, Paris." Just when fans thought it was cooling down, boom, Nicki, 42, fired off a cryptic tweet on Wednesday that seemed to target SZA without naming her directly. The tweet was paired with an awkward old clip of SZA trying to greet Rihanna at the Met Gala. Nicki captioned it, "These be the fake girls who talk shit but will run you down for a photo." Then SZA dropped a screenshot, where she claimed Nicki had twice asked her for a feature. And the message? It was friendly, professional, even complimentary. Nicki said SZA would be, quote, "dope on it." Oh, and SZA also reminded the internet that Nicki once rapped her lyrics on Beyoncé's Feeling Myself. Yikes. So now we're left with the big question. Is this just classic Nicki clapping back? Or did she actually try to dim another black woman's light out of ego and old industry beef? And more importantly, will she respond to the receipts? SZA, on the other hand, is standing 10 toes down and letting the screenshots speak louder than the shade. This Twitter feud just flipped the internet upside down. And the barbs? The SZA hive? Everyone's choosing sides. But now it's your turn. Was Nicki out of line? Or is SZA just playing the victim? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, or you'll miss the next update in this messy digital saga. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.